Now you're not having any bahana. My dad's phone, my this phone, my that phone, huh? Akshat is not feeling well, fine. Vivek, huh? You're over. Krishna,
Yes, sir.
you have sent the homework.
No, sir. I'll send.
Satvik, on your camera, Satvik and Krishna. Satvik, you have not sent a single homework from starting only, right?
What, sir?
You not listen me.
What, sir?
You are whatever deaf or something happened to you. What happened to you, man? You are
Yes,
not able
sir.
to
Like,
hear.
I didn't see, sir.
Didn't see. Why is it to see, man? Homework you are not seeing or voice you are not seeing? What is happening to you? Satvik,
1 minute, sir.
what you will check? Unmute first.
Sir, the homework.
Now we are going to check in front of me. What you should do the 2 days before that, now we are saying, okay, I'll check right now.
Sir, sorry, sir.
After listening also, sir, what you are saying, sir? I'm not getting this, sir. I'm not. What is this? Next one is I have to do class 9th, no? Class 9th linear term. So what problems you want, right?
Yes, sir.
Word problems. So you should go to class 10th. Two variables. We are having word problems or not. Let me check. Here we won't get, I think. Where actually that got deleted, I think. Here you see. Here maybe there. See here, huh? So see question number 1 here. All of you just see question number 1. You might be getting this question. Just check. So you try to understand the question first, or you try to understand the question only. Then you tell me what is your doubt or something like that. You are getting this, children? The two friends Annie and Biju differ by 3 years. So just try to make it. You can do it with two methods also if you want. Okay. The chapter name is two variables, so you can do by two variables or you can do by single variable also. Your wish. Okay. You can take only one variable. You can take two variable also. Your wish. You can do in two ways. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Either you can do in single variable or two variables.
Sir, but how do we know that Annie is bigger than Biju, like elder than Biju?
It's not. We can't say only.
Sir, it
We
was
differ.
written in the solution that was written here.
Oh, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me check. हाँ. Any elder, Biju smaller. Acha, I've written here, right?
Yes, sir.
As Dharam and where is coming? Dharam and twice as. Okay, anyway, we'll just teach here. Newly we'll do, no? Then we'll get to know. Okay. Huh.
Okay.
Oh, now you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
I was on mute, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see, let the Annie and Biju age will be X and Y. We don't know who is elder, who is smaller. So I write here, either if Annie is elder, I write here. If Annie is elder, then X is equal to Y plus 3. And if Biju is elder, then Y is equal to what? X plus 3. Right or not?
Yes, sir.
I have written
Yes, sir.
both the cases. If Annie is elder, it means X will come Y plus 3. And if Biju is elder, then will come Y is equal to X plus 3. It's clear now?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next you see, Annie's father Dharam is as twice as old as Annie. So Annie father Dharam. So Dharam age will be what? 2x. If you are talking about Annie age is x, so it will become what? 2x. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And Biju is twice old as his sister Kathy. So Kathy age will be just half y by 2. Biju is twice as old as my sister, just double is Biju is just twice as old as sister. So Biju age is x, so age Kathy's age will be what? Y by 2. If
Yes.
Biju age is suppose 20, so Kathy is what? 20 by 2 only, no? Because Biju is twice.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Next part is, next one is the age of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Now 2x minus y by 2 is differ by how much years? 30 years. Now, and next what is given? That's it. So find the age of Annie and Biju. Find the age of Annie and Biju. So how we are getting here x, 4x minus y is equal to 60, that is this one, and x minus y is equal to 3. 4x, so if you solve this one, 2x minus y divided by 2 is equal to 30. So 4x minus y is equal to 60 you get.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is first equation you get from here. So 4x minus y is equals to 60. And x minus y is equal to 3. Then how much you get? X minus y is equal to 3 also you can write, or we can write y minus x if we don't know which is greater, right? So both cases you should search over here, right? So both, as per both cases, you should go further. Either you can write x minus y is equal to 3 or y minus x is equal to 3, right? The first you go x minus y is equal to 3. Then you are getting it as 3x is equal to 57. So x is equals to 19, right? If x is 19, y is equals to how much we'll get? 16, right? You'll get 16 or not?
Yes.
Not getting. Is it doubt? This part is doubt. See, we are getting the equation. How we are getting the equation? See this part, the first equation, and second equation we are getting from this. Otherwise, you can take this one equation also. Next case, that is y minus x. You can take 4x minus y is equal to 60, or y minus x is equal to 3. Then what do you get? Y minus x, you can write it as like this. 1 minute. Y minus x will come y minus x. So this will get cancelled. The 5x is equal to 60. The x is equal to 12 you get. So y is equal to how much you get? X is equal to 12. Then y is equals to, get it as what? 15. Correct? Hmm? Yeah, 21 minus y कहाँ से आ गया? Hmm? Then how we got here y is equal to 24? 21 minus y is equals to minus 3. Y is equal to, where we got this one? 4x, x, so 3x. 3x is equal to 63. तो यहाँ पे मिला 21, 23. So once we are getting this, see this one also you put, this one also you put. Understood? Both cases. The first case is coming x is equal to 19, y is equal to 16, and second case we are getting x is equal to 21, y is equal to 24. Tell me which part you are feeling difficulty. I'm writing here one
So
step.
y is equal to 24 how?
Because here we consider it as x minus y. See, x minus y is equal to, from this equation we are writing it as x minus y is equal to minus 3. Okay. So if you put x is equal to 21 over here, the 21 minus y is equal to minus 3. The y is equal to how much you get? 24 only, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
That way. So both the equation, because we don't know who is greater, which is lesser, right? That's why we are just solving by both the methods. Okay. Now tell me where you are feeling difficulty. Tell me, no one is having doubt, right? Satvik, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sure, no?
Yes, sir.
Once again, I'm repeating, we don't know who is elder. So two cases we have taken. This is the first case. This is the second case. Dharam age and Kathy's age we understood. The difference between their ages is how much? 30. So we got the equation 4x minus y is equal to 60 and x minus y is equal to 3. So this is the first equation. Then we are considering this one also. We are getting x equal to 21 and y is equal to 24. All right. Now moving to the next question. Which exercise is this? 1 minute. Acha, this one is your children extra question only. Okay. This is not there in syllabus actually. This was the last exercise will come, no? In the NCERT, high question will come, no? Deepika. Those questions we have done here, which is coming optional. Optional will be there, no, in the last. Do you know
Yes,
optional?
sir. Yes, sir.
Those questions. Actually, we should do this one first. 3.6 part wala. First, we should do these questions. From here, we should do this. From this is a bit easier questions. This question we should do. Those questions actually will not come. Means for this one optional, no. That are optional questions for NCERT. That's why we're feeling hard, and we started by that only. So try to do what is upstream and downstream. Do you know, children? What is upstream and downstream? Anyone know about upstream and downstream?
Upstream is like
On your
against the
camera,
flow of
Pulastya.
water. Downstream is with the flow.
On your camera, Pulastya.
Okay.
Krishna, still your camera is not working, Krishna.
No, sir.
Why?
One second.
Yukta Sri. She left again, joined, right? Okay. Akshat, you are feeling well, man, now? Feeling well a bit better before, from before? Now see here, Rutu can row downstream 20 kilometers. Downstream means you are going along with water, okay? If water is like this, if water is going in this direction and boat going also same direction, okay? So this is known as what? Downstream. What we call? Downstream. If boat is going if boat is going in this direction and water is going in this direction, okay, this is known as what? Upstream. Sai Ritvik, in which why you're joining late, Satvik, after half an hour?
Sir, I had a power cut today.
What?
I had a power cut today, sir.
So in upstream and downstream, which will have more speed?
Downstream.
Why downstream has more speed?
So the speed of the boat.
Yeah, I'm asking the speed of boat only, that itself, yes. Which case the speed of the boat will be more?
Downstream.
Downstream, right? Because it is going along with the water.
Water, okay. Suppose I'm considering here that speed of the boat is V and speed of the stream is U. Speed of the boat is V, speed of the stream is U. So what is the speed in downstream?
Upstream.
What?
Sir, can you again explain, sir, upstream?
See, if water is going in east direction and your boat is going in west direction, then that is upstream. Means your boat is going against the water. Your boat is moving against the water, okay? If your water is moving in this direction, see, water is moving in this direction or moving in this direction, then your boat is moving opposite. Suppose here I mentioned already, see?
Yes, sir, I got.
So in this case, what is the speed in first case? Both will get added up, right, children? Speed of boat, overall speed of the boat and speed of the stream will get added up, right? In case of downstream, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And here if you see, you should write here V minus U. You can write U minus V also, but we always should write First you should write here speed of the boat. Boat will come, then stream will come. Okay. First boat speed will come, then stream will come. Remember, always boat speed should be more than stream. Otherwise, in upstream, what happens? If boat speed is less and stream speed is more, then what will happen to boat? Boat will go away, right?
Yes, sir.
Where you want to go, you can't go only, you can't reach. So now we read the question, you understand now. Okay, this is the speed in downstream. U minus V the speed in upstream. Now Rutu can row downstream 20 kilometers. So this is distance. What is this? Distance is given over here. Downstream part and upstream 4 kilometer. Rutu can row downstream 20 kilometers in hours. In how many hours? In 2 hours is given, check. It was before it's given, I think 2 hours only, no? 2 hours
So
only.
which exercise this is?
This is 3.6. NCERT 3.6. Question number second. Check.
Yes, sir. 2 hours.
Rutu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. See, a distance is given and time is given, right? Here also distance is given and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the her speed in row in still water and speed of the current. Speed of the current means speed of the stream. Find the speed of rowing in still water. Rowing means this is speed of what? Boat. So U and V you should write. So downstream 20 kilometers means time is 2 hours. So what is the formula for time? Time is equals to distance by speed,
Distance
right?
by yes.
So here we are talking about downstream. DS means downstream. So we can write here 20 kilometer distance by speed is how much in downstream? UV plus U, right? So this is the first equation. So what do we get here? V plus U is equals to 10 you get, right? Is it clear or not? First equation is clear, just tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone who is feeling difficulty in first equation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now second equation will be 4 kilometers. The distance you write top. Time means V minus U is equals to how much? 2 hours only. So we can write here V minus U is equals to how much? 2. So this is the second equation. On solving this first and second equation, you can get the answer directly, right? So V plus U is equals to 10 and V minus U is equals to 2. So 2U is equal to 12. 2V is equals to 12. So V is equals to 6. Again, V plus U is equal to 10. So 6 plus U is equal to 10. So U is equals to 4. So this is 4 kilometer per hour. V is what? V is the stream and 6 kilometer per hour is your boat. So this is the final answer. So who is having doubt? Please let me know. Who is having doubt in any steps?
Sir, so U is the stream.
Yeah, don't confuse here. Here I've written here first only. V is boat, U is stream, and remember that boat speed is always more than stream speed. Otherwise it can't move. I've written here. See, you can take U and V, U stream, U only boat you can take, V as stream. I didn't remember only what books people are writing. Simply it just took V and U. Okay. You can take AB also, whatever you want to take. So those who are having doubt in this, just let me know. Here mainly considering part is if you are writing time, the time should be distance by speed only. This form should be there. This is most important. You should write here. And next thing is boat stream should come first. Then your water speed will come next. If this much you want to take in your care, then you can just do all the questions for downstream and upstream. Next question is, shall I go move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Satvik Nutakki.
Yes, sir.
Someone came to you now, you went to for drinking water now.
So, sir, bathroom.
So when you want to move from here, no, you should tell and go, okay? Where you are
Okay,
going.
sir.
Means when you means leave from here, what you do? You, after coming, you not on the camera, simply you are sitting and
Okay, sir.
Next question you see, children. This is very, very important question for time and work. 2 women and 5 men can do a work in 4 days. So 2 women and 5 men can do a work in how many days? 4 days. 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Means 2 equations is given in front of you, right? See, 2 women, I've written here, 2 women and 5 men can do work in how many days? 4 days. This point is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Second is 3 women and 6 men can finish in 3 days. The second line is clear?
Yes, sir.
Satvik, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So now we have to find that one woman alone to finish the work. How much time this woman will take to finish the work, and also one man also alone to finish the work. If 2 women and 5 men can do in 5 days, 4 days, 3 women can do in 3 women and 6 men can do in 3 days. So you have to find the number of days they will take. One woman how much will take, one man how much will take, okay? So remember, we have to start from, like, one woman can finish a work in how many days? X days, okay? And one man can finish work in Y days. This you can write first. One man and one woman work I'm writing over here. Then we should know 1 day work. 1 day work of woman is how much? 1 by X. Suppose Vivek is doing a work in 5 days, okay? Vivek is finishing a work in 5 days. So in 1 day, how much he can finish the work? 1 by 5, correct? No. That's why it's coming 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. If you add it for five times, we'll get 1 only, right? So 1 day work of Vivek is how much? 1 by 5. Understood? If he can do a work in 5 days, the 1 day work is how much? Just reciprocal you do. Okay. Suppose I am doing work in 10 days. The 1 day work, how much I can do? 1 by 10.
1 by 10.
It means that in 10 part of work, I am finishing 1 part 1 day, right? Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Means we are dividing the work into 10 parts. Out of 10 parts, one part I'm doing every day, right? So 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. So at 10th day, I'll finish the work, right or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is very important concept to try to understand here. So here I have written that one woman can finish a work in X days. It means that in 1 day, how much she can work? 1 by X days, right? 1 by X days she will take to finish that work, right? 1 day work is 1 by X.
Yes,
And
sir.
1 day man work is what? 1 by Y, correct?
Yeah.
Now we are going to put here woman wala part. I'll just put the 1 by X because 2 women are there. So 2 into 1 by X plus 5 into 1 by Y is equals to 4. Again, 3 into 1 by X plus 6 into 1 by Y is equals to 1 by 3. I think you are having 2 equations with you, and I told you how to let and all, right? So the same way you can let and get the answers. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
So all of you solve for A and B. Here I'm letting here 1 by A and 1 by B. Try to solve this question by your own. Till here it's clear. If this is clear, then nothing to do in this question. Correct. So all of you solve now. I'm just putting it down now without saying you have to solve. Only question I'll show you. It's fine, no? Anyone who wants answer down also? Till here I'm showing here. Till here I'm showing. Okay. Fine. All right now, all of you to send me on my WhatsApp right now itself.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyone who is not getting, please let me know. Anyone who is not getting at all, then I explain. Not a problem. Anyone who is suffering? We've. Sai Ritvik,
No,
can
sir,
you
I'm
do
saying
this? What happened, Vivek?
nothing, sir. I'm saying no need to explain.
Sai Charan, you can do this question. Sai Charan,
Sir,
you can do this question. Sai Charan, say. Huh? Say.
sir, 1 minute.
Anyone find the answer? You have to check. You have to send me on WhatsApp. Then only I'll just make you. Akshat, how are you feeling, man? You are not responding. Little better. You're understanding, Akshat? Akshat, you are understanding it? Saritvik, what is the answer? Saritvik?
Sir, I got the answers.
What is the answer?
Sir,
80.
for sir, can I say?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I got X as 18 days and Y as 36 days.
Yeah, anyone else?
Sir, same, sir.
Okay, Sai Ritvik, you? Sai Ritvik, you? Sai Ritvik. See those who are not getting. Sai Ritvik. Where you're feeling difficulty, children, please let me know. Don't think that you are means you can't get means people what people will think and all. Right now only you can think. If you're having doubt any single place, you should ask. Because you won't ask now in the initial stage, no. Again, you will hesitate the same day in the next class also. Okay. So this is the first class what I'm taking for this. You should have doubt. 1 by x how it is coming, 1 by y what is coming, how to solve this question. Okay. Initial case you can ask how many number of times you can ask, not a problem. So no one is having doubt for sure.
So the X is 18 and Y is 36, right?
Yeah. Krishna, you're getting the same answer?
Yes, sir. I have sent in WhatsApp.
Okay. So only Krishna has sent or somebody else also? Let me check. Is it clear? Shall I move further? Shall I go to the next? Bhumika, you all got the answer?
Sir, I'm done in that way. I'm doing it in the other way.
Acha, okay.
Sir, I didn't send the answer yet because I don't have a phone nearby.
Okay, fine, no problem. I know you and who is not having? You and one more. Deepshika, you also not having, right? Acha, you are having, no?
Sir,
You are
I'm
not.
sending it to my mail and then sending through WhatsApp web.
Why?
I don't have the phone nearby.
Acha, okay. Leave then, no problem. So shall I move further now, right? Everyone got the answer? Sai Charan Krishna Vivek, you got the answer, right? You have sent me, no?
Yeah, sir, I'm sending right.
Ruhi. Now see, Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. Total 300 kilometers. She is covering by train as well as by bus. We don't know how much by bus, how much by train. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. So case 1 I'm writing here, children, try to understand case 1. Case 1 is time how much is taking? 4 hours. If train is going in 60 kilometers, the bus by bus how much will go? How much will go by bus, children? 240 kilometers. These 3 lines are clear or not? This first, second and third line is clear to you or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in both, in the first part, she is taking how much hours? 4 hours time. How much hours time she is taking? 4 hours. Now first understand first line right now. How it came. Try to understand. Tell me. Vivek, you should tell me how it is coming. Okay. Think about the first line. How it is coming. You should tell me.
So what?
How the first line is coming here, 60 by x plus 240 by y is equals to 4. How it is coming? That you should tell me right now, okay?
Okay, so 1 minute.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, not this question, sir. I have one question out of this, sir. It's doubt, sir.
Same question doubt or other question doubt?
No, sir, not linear equation, sir. It's corner.
Okay. Okay, after this question, I'll solve your question. Okay, you send me on WhatsApp if you want. I'll clarify
Yes.
here itself. Okay.
So, like, why did we write 240 by y, sir?
That's why I'm asking. Why it's coming 60 by x plus 240 by y is equals to 4? Why it is coming like this? Anyone can tell me? Any one of you? Deepshikha, Bhumika, Krishna.
Sir, is it the time?
Time is 4 hours. It's on right hand side. Time is 4 hours. That is on right hand side.
Sir,
This
X
is,
and Y is the speed in that much kilometer, how
yeah.
much they
Yes,
travel.
sir.
See, first line only you see. Let the speed of train be x and bus be y. So time formula is distance by speed. Time formula is what? Distance by speed. So this whole equation you can add, means what? Time part only you can do. Time plus time is equal to time. So this in the form of what? The time only. This whole thing should be form of what? Time. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So distance is 60 by the train and time is x hours. We have written here. And second part, 240 is the distance by bus and the speed is y hours. So that's why we got either 60 by x plus 240 by y is equals to 4. So this is the first equation you just let in the mind, okay? Second case is if she travels 100 kilometer by train. See 100 kilometer by train. So 100 by x will come. And if it is she is covering 100 kilometer by train and bus will be obviously 200 kilometer because total is 300 kilometers, right? So this will be 200 by y. And how much hours is taking over here? 25 by 6. How? 10 minutes longer. What is mentioned here? 10 minutes longer. Before it was taking 4 minutes. Now taking 10 minutes more. So 10 by 60 should convert to hours only, right? So how to convert minute to hour? 10 by 60. So 10 1 by 6 will come. So it will take 25 by 6 hours. Anyone having doubt in this? 25 by 6, how
No.
it is coming? 25 by 6 is clear or not? Satvik, he left the meeting or what? Tell me it's clear to everyone? 25 by 6, anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Then you
sir.
can solve. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. Now try to solve this first and second equation and let me know the answers. Yeah. Okay. 7 is from Q. Okay, very nice. So here 3Q, very good. 2x is common, the x square plus So always that a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square will not work. Okay. So here no, see you only. How we can do here? You can't make it whole square only now. Think over it, right? It's not in a square plus b, a minus b square, no form only.
Then you have to do that.
Then you have to do like this. You have to recognize how to move further.
Tomorrow I'll get maths paper.
Answers.
No.
Means answer what you written marks, right?
Both.
Okay. You are expecting how much marks?
About 25.
25. You left only 5 marks and expecting 25.
When did I say that?
You can solve, Vivek.
Yeah, sir, I'm solving.
So 60 by x, 24 by y. Anyone getting the answer? Fast, fast, fast. That's why if you know linear equation in two variables by any methods, then only you can do this, right? That I already
Sir,
taught you.
is x 54?
X is 54. No, x is 60. And y is 80. 60
Yeah,
and
so
80.
y is it?
Yeah. This I'm not going to show you. You have to do by yourself only. Because only this is only solving part of linear equation, two variables, right? So what problems are nothing? 4 marks, 100% will come in board examination. 100% 4 marks will come. Remember that. In big questions, 4 marks will come for sure. One question or two questions may be there. 3 marks also they may put. So remember, if you can do, if you only understood and draw if you wrote the equations, obviously you can do easily, right?
Got it.
What happened, Vivek?
No, sir, I'm just saying, yeah.
You got the answer, 40 and 60 and 80.
Yeah, so through elimination method.
Okay, any method. You'll get the same answer only by any method.
Okay.
Sir, could you solve it once? I'm having a little bit of confusion.
Okay, fine. I have done by elimination method. So what I have done, just try to understand. 1 by x is equal to what is there? A, right? And 1 by y is equals to what? B. Okay. Here also same thing only he applies. So I'm just writing by this one, 60a plus 240b is equal to 4. And this is like this. We can write this or not? Tell me. First
Yes,
and
sir.
second equation is clear to you or not, Dipshika?
Yes, sir.
But here 25 6 by 6 is coming. So we can write 600a plus 200b is equal to 25. To make it, we just cross multiply we have done over here. We have done just cross multiplication. Means 6 we have multiplied to the left hand side.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So here 600. Now what we have done, we have multiplied this first equation by 10. Why we are multiplying by 10? Tell me. To make it at 600, right?
So that we can cancel it. Yes, sir.
Or you can multiply by only, I think 3 only you can multiply. Sorry, not 3. You can multiply here, get 100. No, both you should multiply then by that. You should multiply first equation by 3, first equation by 5, second equation by 3 in that way, right? But anyway, this is there, no? Multiply by 10 with this. So you got it as 600a. This two things is clear or not? These two lines.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now what is the doubt? What now should not ask doubt only. Now you solve. This two only is the mainly thing. Apart from this, you should not have doubt only, I think.
Sir, I got it.
Okay, fine. All of you try the same thing. Those who are not written, just try to understand.
Yes, sir. Now I got it.
So now we'll move to the next question. Over. This is exercise only is over. Only 3 questions are there in this. See, there are 3 questions only, no, Deepshika?
Yes, sir. 3 only.
Ah. Now see, this is the question which is coming in 2013 question. 2013 it came. This question is 2013. Question number 2. You can do it or not, just check. You can do it this or not. Ax plus by square, this is a square, children. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Okay. So can you solve this by any methods? You have to find the value of x and y by any method. It's not like elimination method or substitution. Any method you can to find over here. So first equation is given that ax plus by is equals to a square minus b square, and second equation is bx plus ay is equals to 0. These 2 equations are there. So you have to find the value of x plus y. Means first you find the value of x and y, then you should add. Okay. Just think you can do it or not, just tell me. Don't see the answers. First you try by yourself. If you're not at all, you are not understanding, then you tell me. Okay. You are trying this. Here is I have done by elimination method. Ax plus by is equals to a square plus b minus b square. So what I have tried to do here. First equation I multiplied by a and second equation I multiplied by b, right? To make it a cancel second part. Can you do by substitution method? This is the elimination method I have done. Now if you do by substitution method, it's also easy only. Here if you see from here, if I solve one line over here, I just take one line. I just make one gap over here, okay? I'll write the same question. Ax plus by is equals to a square plus minus b square, right? And bx plus ay is equals to 0. So I'm just doing by substitution method. I'll do by substitution method. So second equation looks easier, right? So from here what I'll do, I can write bx is equals to minus ay, can write.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to what we'll write here, minus ay divided by b, minus a by b into y. Same thing I'll put here in first equation, this. So what I can write here, a into minus ay by b plus by is equals to a square minus b square. Minus a square by b into y plus b into y is equals to a square minus b square. So y you take common, what you will get here? B minus a square by b is equals to a square minus b square. It's clear or not? Till here is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I can write here y is equals to, hello? Bolo. So a square minus b square. Again you solve this one also. First don't write here y only. First what you do, no? First you take y into b square minus a square divided by b. Can you write like this? First I've taken LCM over here. Then y is equals to, I can write here a square minus b square multiply by here b and here dividing by what? B square minus a square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Or if you want to write here a square minus b square, no, if you want to interchange, you should write minus extra. Minus b square minus a square into b is divided by b square minus a square. So this will get cancelled. So we're getting y is equal to minus b. It's coming minus b only. Let's check. Y is equal to minus b is coming. But
Yeah.
you are not getting exactly right. Here so many tricks are there in this I have used. See what you have to use here is what I have taken here. See. Here is your a square minus b square. Then I sent this b here and this upper part down. Understood? Then here is what I have taken minus common. Why I am taking minus common? Because I want to make this both common. This both is there, no? This both is different. Upper one is a square minus b square and down is b square minus a square, children. So here you might be not be understanding what I am doing over here. What I did is this a square minus b square, I wrote it is in this form. B square minus a square and divide by this only. So numerator part can be write like this. This is very important, children. If you didn't understand, you can't move further. If you want to do ulta over here, so you should write here minus sign. Suppose you want to write here 3 minus 2. If you want to write the same thing 2 minus 3, so you should write here minus or not. Can you think over it?
Yes, sir.
Because see 3 minus 2 is 1 and here 2 minus 3 if you do, you'll get minus 1. Then if you write here minus before, then only 1 will come. Understood or not, children? Go to a small level, very small thinking. Why we are writing minus? Understood? It's clear, Vivek?
Yes.
Krishna, it's clear to you?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now I'm erasing this part because this is only for your understanding purpose I wrote here. 2 minus 3 can be written by 3 minus 2, but sign if you won't write, that is wrong. Okay. But remember one thing, if you're writing plus, no change. You should not write minus and all. If it is in plus. Because plus you're writing 2 minus 3. If minus 3 plus 2 you are writing, no change. With sign you are writing, no. So no change. Okay. So these are the small concept where people are lacking behind. So try to understand this. So I have done by both the methods and answer will come same. Okay. Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you all. That's it, no? Is it clear? I'll just give few questions to do. You just solve and send me back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You want to ask? You want to take screenshot or something?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I'm just making it smaller. Take it.
Sir, my doubt is
What, Sai Charan?
sir, doubt, sir.
Where is your doubt? You have sent me. You have sent me doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
This is a very easy concept, Sai Charan. Right now, I'll send you one code. Okay, Sai Charan, you join. What you will join over there? I'll clarify in the Wise app only. I'll send you and just explain you. Okay, Sai Charan.
Okay, sir.
Fine, children. All of you can leave now. Easy concept only, Sai Charan. Nothing is very easy concept. Okay, I just solve this question and send you back immediately. Okay, Sai Charan.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine, children. I'm leaving now the meeting.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye.